Alright, today I'm going to show you one of the most amazing water fountain made in America by my wife's hands. She spent 35 days for 5 hours each day to create this incredible, unique piece of art. Isn't that amazing? It consists of more than 100 little roses that she made from the scratch by shaping cold porcelain to create the leaves of roses and grapes. Some seashells at the bottom of the water, all attached together along with reflection of LED lighting. This art represents love, kindness, peace, and most importantly, relaxing that will bring to your home. If you want to order it, please comment at the bottom of this page or subscribe. Thank you.